Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Beatrice and today I've come to talk about the #1 backyard weed that has the potential to replace all your medications. This weed at the back of your yard right now, it has the potential, it is so very powerful and very beneficial to you even when you're not on medications. But before that, if you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification button and give the video a thumbs up. Please comment as well. Okay, what is so very surprising about this weed everyone wants to kill is that it can survive harsh conditions because it was designed with potential and very powerful compounds in it that can as well help your body system. This weed acts as a potent diuretic. That means it can get rid of your fluid retention in your ankles and in your feet. This normally happens when you're pregnant, most of the times. If you sit for a longer time, when you tend to stand, you're going to stand up when your feet are so swollen. But if you continue and keep on consuming this weed, you're going to get rid of that problem. And speaking of fluid retention, this weed can help reduce the blood pressure. This is because this weed is loaded with lots and lots of potassium. If you've ever realized that someone has a deficiency in potassium, their blood pressure goes up naturally. This is because potassium is a physiological relaxer to the vascular system. So, lack of potassium in your body is going to cause all sorts of heart issues, including blood pressure. So, drinking this weed, you're taking lots and lots of potassium, including other minerals like magnesium. This weed can as well help in insulin resistance, which is the highest percentage, let me say 70% of healthy issues out there, meaning that it can get rid of the liver fat, it can stabilize your blood sugar, and it can help you reduce the blood pressure at a certain angle. As we all know that too much of the insulin resistance, it can harden the arteries and it can make them stiff. And too much of insulin concentration in your body, it is going to cause boils at the back of your knee. So if you keep consuming this weed, it is going to help you with such issues. Now, the other surprising and very interesting part of this weed is that it has the potential to suppress the reproduction of viruses like HIV virus. So, consuming this weed, it will slowly reduce the process of this virus reproduction. Another interesting part of this weed is that this weed can help you prevent fibrosis in your liver. So if you have an inflamed liver and it's heading towards cirrhosis, please consume this weed immediately. It will slow down the process. Another part I want to talk about this weed before I reveal it is that it acts as an aromatase inhibitor. We all know that aromatase, it is responsible for the production of estrogen in our bodies. So if estrogen gets too much into your body, it is going to speed up the process of aging. So the more estrogen that is produced in our bodies, it can lead to things like cellulite. But if you keep consuming this weed, it means it is going to inhibit the aromatase. If you continue taking this weed that I'm yet to reveal, it is going to help you stimulate bile, which can help you with bloating, hence preventing gallstones. This weed can as well help you reduce constipation or get rid of constipation. So this weed is very good to eliminate all those digestive issues. The weed I'm talking about is dandelion. You can have this weed in a salad, you can have this weed as a cup of tea, you can have this weed in a smoothie, but be cautious that this weed, it is very bitter. This weed is very helpful in that it is even better than all the vegetables and all the fruits that you're having in your house. It is so better, much better than them. So if you have this weed and you take it every day, just say bye-bye to mangoes, bye-bye to apples, bye-bye to greens, bye-bye to all other things, and please replace it with dandelion that is growing at the back of your house right now. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, give the video a thumbs up, and please comment. Bye.